What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And seeing a Pontiac ad in Car and Driver, very suspicious. And we're going to talk about a couple of different things with that today. Alright guys, welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today's video is being brought to you by Destroyer1320.com. You know, we hate thieves. If you're looking to protect your Mopar, they pretty much make a ton of different products to do that. Definitely go check them out at Destroyer1320.com. So, I see this story about Pontiac showing up in Car and Driver at the end, like saying they're back, but then saying they're not really back. Nobody wastes an entire page like that of advertising in a magazine for nothing. What do you think about this? So, one of the things that I find extremely interesting in this situation is Tim Kuniskis retires from Dodge because he's not able to forego or continue on with the actual muscle car heritage of Dodge to be able to push that forward, something that has caused those cars to be one of the best-selling American cars out there in the Chargers and Challengers, right? For, you know, horsepower to money ratio is insane, all right? Pontiac coming back, being that Chevy has basically abandoned all cars. Like, the Malibu's done now, the Impala's already gone, the Camaro's done. Could this be GM's way of keeping something in NASCAR? Because think about it. What is Chevy gonna run in NASCAR when there's no Chevy cars? But they could run Pontiacs, and it's basically the same engine. And they could take the CT5 and the CT4 Cadillac and turn those into different Pontiacs. I could easily see Tim Kuniskis going over there, relaunching the Pontiac brand. I think Butter the Insider talked about it yesterday, how cool it would be to see, you know, another Bandit car, seeing that Trans Am with the actual golden bird on the hood. I agree. What do you guys think about Pontiac possibly making a return? Is this just a gag? Does someone just waste thousands of dollars to put an ad in Car and Driver just to be funny or to cause this conversation? Or is there a possibility that we could see Pontiac, whether Tim Kuniskis decides to go there or doesn't go there or goes to run GM or whatever it is that he's going to do in the future? Either or, I think it would be extremely interesting to see the Pontiac brand risen from the dead. Wouldn't you? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Make sure to give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, stay petty, my friends.